Hello, how are ya? I hope you're doing well. It is Sunday night. I've got a severe case of the Sunday scaries or the Sunday blues, so I thought, hey, I've got something from Lautie. Let's do an unboxing. This, I got a Mechanic I from the EDC Cartel Facebook group. So thank you to Fidelis for making these things available to us a little early. Even though I'm opening this up late, I did get it some time ago. Actually, it's been kind of sitting. I did some other videos. So yeah, we've got the Lautie Mechanic I. The Mechanic series is kind of special to me. The first Lautie and the first fidget I actually ended up getting was a gift for somebody, and was the Mechanic C. And then I bought another one, which I'm going to do when I do a review of this, I'll do a comparison with the Thorns mechanical ring and the Mechanic C. So we'll have 3 rings to take a peek at. All right, so we've got. Oh, I think they mentioned, yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a patch. I don't think that this doesn't normally come with the Mechanic I. I think it was because I purchased it through the EDC Cartel group. So we got a little PVC patch. All right. This is, of course, the Lautie design that's on a lot of the Mechanics, including the Thorns, but also a lot of their other products too. I think the Sam, I believe, has this as well. So very cool. Thank you, Lautie, and thank you again, Fidelis. Staple will be different, so we'll keep that here. All right, and so we've got our Mechanic I. This is aluminum. I kind of went, because I already have 2 of them. It's like I don't really need to get a more premium metal in this case. But I was also really curious to see how aluminum actually felt. And I've got the X-Acto out today. Again, still not a knife guy. Okay, let's get this guy open. As usual, with Lautie, their packaging is awesome. It's first class. They always do a really good job with that. And this seems to be no exception. And it is always really hard to get these out of the sleeve. At least it is for me. I don't know why. It shouldn't be, yet here I am, struggling. All right. I guess because I'm not pulling straight. That's probably it. I like to hold on to the boxes, especially at some point I'm going to probably be moving these on at some, so it'll be great to be able to include the box. Okay, as usual, we have our little first section, which should be our stickers, and if there are any tools available with this one, and I believe there are. Yes, there are. Oh, this is a little bit. Oh, they're doing the sticker sheets now. Yes. Okay, so sticker sheets. I think it's a good idea. I'm sure it probably adds to the time and the cost of creating these individual ones. So we do have more stuff in here, of course. Oh wow. Oof. Yeah, no kidding. I guess something that passes for the quality certificate. Very good. Put that back. And give you guys a view of what we're looking at here. We've got some finger covers, finger grips. Then we also have, in separate baggies, we've got additional magnets. And I saw a video where it shows you how to open up the Mechanic and use these to hold the magnets in place from the outside. So that's why we've got these guys. And looks like we've got some additional, I guess, well, they don't look like rubber bands or something like that. So maybe they're just regular PVC or maybe Teflon coated or whatever. But it looks like a retainer ring of some sort. That's what I'm going with. Okay, so let us open up the Mechanic I. Again, in aluminum. Ooh, man, it is light. Okay, this is, so from what I understand, this is fairly This is a fairly large ring. Wow, I've got some pretty Vienna sausage fingers, so I'm actually pretty surprised. Ooh, that is a nice click. I'm actually surprised at how large this is. Okay, wow. So the big difference so far, and you know, like I said, I'll do a video comparing the Mechanic I, the Thorns, and the Mechanic C. So this definitely has more of a ratcheting feel to it, without a doubt. It is less spinny, although I think we can probably make that spinny when we open it up and change the internals a little bit. So just to show you too, on the inside, we've got a blackened, I'm assuming this is still aluminum as well. Outer is aluminum, and we've got one skull and two skulls. So very cool. I like this. This is a nice little change of pace. I like the ratcheting action. It feels good. There's not a ton of haptic feedback, and I wonder if that has more to do with the material. So if somebody has like a Zerk or another material that they put out for this, you want to comment like how much haptic feedback is in yours versus this. There's not much. It's more you're making a sound than you are getting a haptic feedback from it. But the size of the ring is pretty big. Well, I don't think I have anything like. Yeah, I'll get like a quarter or something to show size wise, but I believe the ring size is like 10, so it's pretty big. And again, like I said, I've got some pretty, sausagey fingers. So, yeah, I'm surprised at the size of this. If you have dainty fingers, this might actually be too big. But, definitely it's worth giving it a try. So yeah, first impressions, very cool. As always, I enjoy Lautie products. I think the stuff that they do is generally awesome. I've never been disappointed by one, and this is no exception. So the Lautie Mechanic I. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, I'll look for you on the next video, and hopefully the week coming up. Hope it's a good one for you all. Have a great Sunday evening or whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you on the next one.